Hello beautiful eyeshadow lovers, my name is Kaylee Wesley and welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette look 3, 4, and 5. I am doing a one look per pan series, which means I would look at the Jaclyn Hill palette that has 10 pans in it and create 10 different looks out of it. I've already posted looks 1 and 2. I'll leave it up in the cards for you, but this is looks 3, 4, and 5. I usually only do them in 2s, and then the last and final video I would do my final review. But since I don't want to post 5 videos, I want to just I think I'm actually going to still end up posting 5, but it's not by choice, I promise. If you can tell by the look on my eyes, this is not one of the looks you will be receiving today. This is actually the Dream Street by Kathleen Light and ColourPop collab. I am doing a one look per pan with this palette as well. They will be up after these. Let me know what you guys think down below, and let's get on into these looks. Alright, I'm taking a fluffy brush into that shade Poof, and I am taking that all over the crease in the lid. I'm basically just setting my primer. I don't know how to speak today. And now I'm going to be taking the same brush and using it on the color switch and going into this shade. Have you guys been seeing this the entire time? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Alright, and now with this, I want to go ahead and add Inside Job instead of the brown or the black. I just want to add a little bit to the outer corners. And I'm taking kind of like a blender pencil brush. And I'm just pressing that on the outer corner. Just being super gentle with it. See, do you see how just much more open it makes my eyes look? It's cheating the system. Okay, so now I'm going to take that first brush and then blend it out a little bit just to not make it like a blob I just put down kind of thing, you know? So just very gently blend it out just a little bit. Okay, like that. And then on the lower lash line, I'm going to take a angled liner brush and go into Inside Job again. Put it on the outer third once again to connect with itself at the top. Alright, and then I'm going to take another small blending brush and go into the shade and go along the entirety of the lower lash line. Alright, I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm going to school. I'm not going to put on lashes today, even though I feel like they would look beautiful on this look. So that leaves mascara, brows, and some lip gloss or lipstick. Be right back. Alright, I am done. I am off to school. Wish me luck. Test today. And let's move on to the next look. Alright, I am doing look number 4, and I want to start with Busted on a little, it's like a pencil blender brush. I never know what to call these. So I am taking this along the outer edge I'm actually going to put it on my lid. Okay, now I'm going to take this blender brush and I'm actually going to dip into the shade Potion right here and go into the crease with that shade, blending out that busted shade. Alright, this is extremely looking like my look from JUVIA'S Place palette. I think it's in look number 8. Anyways, I want to take another fluffy brush and actually go into the shade Inside Job. I have just been using these 3 mattes right here. And I'm actually going to put this on the outer corner to deepen up that busted shade. Alright, so I also took that shade and deepened up the crease a little bit. I think I'm done here. I don't want it to look too much like the other looks that I have done. So, there's that. Maybe if I add, I just keep adding and adding and adding colors. This Mojo color, I don't necessarily go into black shades because I've noticed black shades on my pale skin and blue eyes, it doesn't look that great. So I'm going to dip into that dark shade Mojo and also put that in the outer corner just to deepen it up. If you can see, I have a little bit of fallout from these shades. I am just happy to do my eye makeup first. Okay. So just putting it along the crease just to deepen it. I like this. And then I'm going to be taking this one or this one into the inner corner. So I'm going to use a Q-tip. Now my finger pinky brushes, they're either too big or too scratchy for the inner corner, so I just use a Q-tip at the very end and swirl into it and go in. I hope you can see what I'm doing. And just go in like that. It's almost like getting the crane in the toy, like, anyway. Okay, the lower lash line, I am going to get a, it's not exactly flat, but it's a shader brush. And I'm actually unsure of what color I want to go to. I think for this, I'm going to go into the shade Potion. It's already what I had in my crease, so it only makes the most sense to put it along the lower lash line. I almost said the bottom lower lash line. The lower lash line is the bottom, duh. Okay, so just keep shading in like that. And I'm not done, okay? So don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'm going to take this flat angled liner brush and dip into the shade Mojo right here. And I'm going to be putting that closest to my lash line right here. And I'm putting that throughout my entire lower lash line as well. Okay, and I see here some mistakes being made. So I'm going to wet a Q-tip and fix that up. I'm actually going to do my base makeup. I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look. I know it is extremely similar to the JUVIA'S Place look, and I'm sorry for that, but for the green and the blue that's in it. I'm so excited because it merges March and April together for me, and I'm in love. What do you guys think down below? Let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I definitely know I want to do something with this blue. Somebody is asking for my attention right now. I'm so sorry. I've already primed my eyes with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre. And I'm going in with a fluffy flat brush into the shade Busted. I'm just going to pat that all over my lid. I'm going to be blending it gently into my crease and then putting on the power cut on top of that blue, just to give the blue a little more sparkle. How's everybody doing? I've missed everybody. And for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take this angled liner brush into the shade Busted and take it along my lower lash line. With that color. That color with the shade Busted is just so pretty together. See, it just makes a softer crease, which is what I wanted. Alright, and now with my pinky, I'm going to be taking the shade Power Cut right here. And I'm going to be tapping this all over the blue on my lid. Take that brush and go along on top of the lid just to blend that Power Cut into the Busted shade. Power Cut, Busted. Just to make it not so silvery and not so bluey, but a mixture. With that down, I'm going to take a clean pencil brush and I'm just going to either dip it into here or not, but I'm just going to see so far if I can just basically buff this out or smoke it out on the lower lash line and not necessarily dip into another color, which that barely did anything. So I'm going to dip it in. I'm going to be wiping off what we just did and dipping into the shade Poof, this lightest matte color right here, and running that along my lower lash line as well to get that Busted shade more smoked out. And then I'm using my color switch. I'm using my color switch in between my eyes because I don't want that faded color to transfer over and just look, yeah. Alright, I am going to be putting this through my color switch again, dipping it into the shade Poof, the lightest matte, and it's going on my inner corner. Okay, looking back, I do want to take that brush that we used in the first shade and I want to blend out my edges just a little bit more to get the blue higher. Alright, I am going to put on some mascara, the rest of my makeup, possibly switch my shirt, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my lawn people are right outside, but I am done. Let me know what you think of this look. I am enjoying the blue. It almost matches my nails a little bit, but let me know what you guys think down below. Which look was your favorite, this one or that one? To be honest with you guys, I don't even remember if this is look 5 or 6 or 4. That's my life now. I don't remember. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up down below. I'm sorry if you can hear the lawn people behind me. I can't fix it. I want to, but I can't. And I love you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Subscribe down below if you haven't. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You hear me? Don't forget. Don't forget. Don't forget.